Hi, let's get your new bike reassembled and ready to ride. In the box you have received a copy of our brief assembly guide as well as the Bicycle Owner's Manual. Please read these before reassembling or riding your new bike. This video is only a supplement to the printed materials. Here is an overview of the commonly required tools for reassembly. These tools are for sale on our website. Okay, installing the front wheel on a mountain bike. We got the through axle here is in here. Your bike may have came with that installed, or maybe this was in the parts box, but that's the actual axle. Pull that out, and we also have this little spacer right in here, which is to hold the brake pads apart in shipping. Take that out, take your through axle out, and then grab your wheel. The rotor is going to go right in here between the two yellow brake pads. So align the rotor with the brake pads, slide this up in here. Like this. And then grab your through axle coming through from this side. Grab your tool here. This you want to make fairly tight. It's threading into the threads on this side of the bike right over here. Tighten that up. Get that nice and snug. On this bike you also have a pinch clamp up here just for extra safety. Tighten that up as well. Spin your wheel to check alignments and you should be good to go.